In front of me is REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Users and Accounts at the bottom, over here. Then choose Google. Tap on Google Password Manager and click on any password you wish to check. Now you need to enter your screen lock. And finally, use this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!